Once you get your seat off and your gas tank off, undo your two boots. And then you got to be kind of ready to get this guy off. That's your throttle cable holding mount thing. You're going to need to get some slack on that bad boy. So, one boot out. Other boot out. And here we go. So, once you're off, since these guys are loose, just kind of wiggle these out and get your fuel lines off. And that's it. You're free. Let's go to the bench. Okay, so here we are, carb. We're not doing a cleaning today, just a jet change, but you always want to look in those little guys right there, make sure they're not clogged. Anything that gets by your air filter is going to end up right there. So while you got it, maybe you do need to clean it. Who knows? But all we're going to do is take the bottom off. So that's a Phillips. Mine's not hard because it gets taken off all the freaking time. I clean my carb pretty regularly, so it's probably not going to be too horrid inside. But I don't like my last jet change. I went too lean. We're at sea level down here in California, or close enough to sea level that the sea level recommendation of a 178, I found that to be a little bit too rich. But then I go down to like a I don't know what's in here, 172, maybe a 175. But whatever it is, that's a little bit too lean. I'm actually down on power on the top end, and you got to be kind of way too lean to be down on power by running lean, because usually lean is mean, right? You're supposed to get a good power when you're lean, just not good for the engine, but I'm not getting good power. I'm getting shit power. So I feel like we need to do something about it. All right, so give her a little pop. Let's see what we got under here. Oh, clean as a whistle, as expected. So this is the main jet. This is the only one we're messing with today. Let's see, what are we? Can you guys read that? Well, I can. It's a 175. So, screw you, 175. All right, oopsie. Took a little minute to find my crap. Here we are. Barely, barely, barely. Don't need to adjust the float. That's perfect. Don't need to do anything to anything, actually, because everything is always perfect. But guess it won't kill me just to get a little squirt, just in case. Okay. hole. Okay. One screw. This guy, don't forget that. If you take the screw out, the little hose guide holder doodad, I always forget to put that guy in. Doesn't have to be too tight, just snug them up. Snug it, tug it, rub it and thug it. Let's go. Oh. There you have it. For the 10,000th time I've done this to my carburetor. There we are. If you were going to set the float, you'd want to put a clear tube, kind of like one of these, in place of this guy. And then you run it up so you can level it with this and a little taller. Then you unscrew your little drain screw, so whatever's in the float goes down here, goes up, finds its level with the liquid. And then I think it's, what, 10 millimeters down, so somewhere around there. I don't know. Haven't had to mess with it yet because this shit's just always perfect. So there you are. Easy jet change. Don't get scared. Just dive into your shit.